Hello, welcome to the KlinKode ShipRight app tutorial series. Today I'll show you how to hide any shipping methods for a specific cart currency using the ShipRight app. First, go to the ShipRight app. Click on the Add a New Rule button. Now click on Add a New Condition button. From the list that appears, choose the cart currency option. In the blank box that appears, you can add multiple currencies separated by commas, such as USD, CAD, JPY, etc. For this example, we'll add CAD. Now give your rule a name. This name is for internal use only. Add your desired shipping methods. Under the Select Shipping Methods field, I have selected Standard Shipping. If you don't see the desired shipping method names there, you can add them manually in the Additional Shipping Methods field. Make sure the shipping names match exactly as they are in your Shopify shipping and delivery settings. This means that if someone places an order in Canadian dollars, their cart will automatically hide the standard shipping option. Click the Save button to apply your rule. That's it. Next, let's head over to the checkout page. Refresh the page and take a look. As you can see, the standard shipping is gone because we selected Canadian dollar as the currency. Now change to a different currency, such as USD, by selecting the United States as the shipping country and see the difference. As expected, now standard shipping is visible. I hope this is clear. If you have any questions or need help, feel free to reach out via live chat or visit our contact page. You'll find both email and WhatsApp support options there. Thanks for using the ShipRight app. Happy selling!